Was it good? Mmm.
No.
Is it good?
No.
It's not good?
He's telling you not to bite it. I'm videoing, Aaron. I'm about to put this on Facebook.
What?
God, you just tooted.
Didn't toot.
Noah, are you eating a popsicle?
Can you say yes?
That's right. Share, give Daddy a bite. See, I like it when Mama bites the shell off for me, and then I just eat the ice cream, Daddy.
Go about it from the side.